Hi, greetings to all members of eResource family. So good to see you all. I'm here to make an announcement, but even before I get into it, just a small request. Let us continue supporting the pledge. Stop the spreading of coronavirus. Stay home, stay safe. Surakshit raho and stay blessed. Guys, we want to kick off this corona outbreak with a truly revolutionary product, with a truly revolutionary look. Yes, we are trying to turn even this difficult transition phase into golden period of our life. We know life has given us a self-imposed work from home arrangement, and we know it's not going to be too long. So I'm glad so far and until now we are making the most of it. This is the time to do self-evaluation. This is the time to get all the wrongs right. Like how a painter would step back and look at his own painting in a state of self-evaluation to know what stroke can be added or what stroke can be corrected. We realize that this lockdown time is to step back and self-evaluate if there is anything wrong while everything has the appearance of being right. So there are a couple of things that we noted, we identified, and we started working on it already. eResource, we are a product company, and guys, product is all about value. It's a very loud world, it is a very complex world, and we are not gonna get a chance for people to remember much about us. So we have to be very clear about what is it that people would want to know about us and remember about us. So since the beginning of the lockdown period, we poured our heart and soul in creating an image that would accurately depict who we are at our core as a product. eResource, at our core value, we believe we can make it possible for our customers to see things clearly. By giving them the visibility of strategic information at one central marketplace so that they can take their decision faster, and that will also help them gain operational excellence. So in this lockdown period, eResource team has worked on many things, including product enhancement, building robotic process automation, also business intelligence tool, and a set of team led by Hridaya have worked on rebranding of eResource. I must tell you, I am very thrilled to announce we are evolving in terms of presentation, evolving in terms of productization, evolving in terms of looks. We started this initiative of rebranding on the first day of lockdown. That was on the 17th of March. And guys, the big news is we are now rebranding. Rebranding with a new theme, with a new color, with the new looks, and new member in our family, the Enfi, our mascot. The main theme of our brand is flame. Well, flame is also in our logo. Why did we choose flame? Because many culture, I must tell you, many culture views flame as a symbol of wisdom and knowledge. Light brings brightness and it removes the darkness. Light makes it possible to view things clearly. There's a beautiful Sanskrit sloka which I would like to recite. It reads something like this: Deepa Jyoti Parabrahma, Deepa Sarvo Tamavaham, Deepe na sadhya sarvate, Sandhya Deepam Namastute. What it means that Deep Jyoti is used to invite Mother Lakshmi, the goddess of wealth and prosperity, to your home. Light is hence also worshipped as God Himself. So even in eResource, now our main theme is flame, fire and deep. And yes, the new member, I'm loving him. Our mascot, a nerdy, a geek, smart and full of energy. And we call him Mr. Enfi. Thanks, Hridaya. It's awesome. You've done a great job. Mr. Enfi will add more strength in our brand identity. Guys, if you see our eResource, the blue color in our logo stands for stability, trust, loyalty and intelligence. The orange color stands for spirit of young generation, energy, enthusiasm, creativity and success. So guys, here I bring you the new identity of eResource. Our new looks, new theme, new website. corporate identity, stationery, merchandising for t-shirt, cups, caps, social media marketing and appearances. Rebranding will take our existing product and services and make e-resource more attractive to our customers than our competitors. I must tell you, the fresh new look, the new energy and the new atmosphere is contagious. I am personally loving it. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. If you may have any suggestion, please feel to pour into our e-resource group. Our creative head Hridaya will take it ahead from there. Thank you again. Stay safe, stay blessed. Cheers. Bye for now.